In today's video I'm just going to unbox this 420 to 800 mm super telephoto zoom lens. So this comes in a nice packing. It's a heavy lens, so let's see everything in detail. So we get one cleaning cloth, so it comes in a protective case. It also has a manual. So let's do the zoom. So here we have to open, we can slide it, it says lock. So let's check. Yeah, so more, if you keep it tight in the lock position, then it slides very slowly, but it holds there. So if I unlock it, then it's really free to move. And if I move this, so this part is moving ahead. So I don't know if, yeah, that goes all the way up to here, and this one goes up to here. So that is the actual length of this. So I'll take some shots of this, and I'll also show like how well it works on the manual focus. So again, we can see it's all metal. Build quality is really great. Where it's a manual lens, that means focusing on something will be very difficult, even making the videos. So I'll show you the result.